Hey guys, Eric Sue here. Hope you're doing well. Hey listen, I've got an awesome video here for you. It's a 3-part series and it's going to be all about my desk. I'm going to be doing some cleanup. I'm going to be doing some cable management. And I'm going to be putting in a dual monitor desk mount as well. And so this is going to be all new. And so I want you to follow me in the next 3 series. So stay tuned. All right, you guys, so like I said, this is a 3-part series in me redoing my desk right here, right? And it's going to start off with the dual monitor desk mount right here. I'm going to be mounting my 27-inch U27Q from Dell onto this. And I'm also going to be putting on a teleprompter here for my Zoom calls or any virtual training I do for my fitness programs. All right, it's going to be really cool, so let's get started. So in this box, I've got the instruction manual right here. Okay, you can see that. And I was looking at it the other day, and it looks pretty straightforward, I have to say. There was no tricky parts to it, and looks like all the parts are here. And so let's go ahead and unpack it and see what we got. Okay. All right, right off the bat, I can tell that this is well constructed. This is solid. If you got hit with this, you would be hurting for days. Broken bones and stuff. So this is really solid construction, so that's cool. Got one piece. There's 2 pieces in this. And I believe the total length in this is like 31 inches from the bottom of the desk all the way to the top using these 2. So it's like 31 inches, okay? In addition to those 2, we got the, I believe this is all the mounting screws and everything in here. So we'll open that. I'm curious to know if any of you guys have gotten a Wali system before. I've heard some good things, and one of the main reasons why I got this was because I have a standing desk right here, and I can show you real quick here. All you have to do is push this button and raise it up, right? And this standing desk is a flexi spot, and I have a review. If you go ahead and click up here, you guys can go and see the review of this standing desk. So I do a lot of training tutorials and whatnot, training with the standing desk, and I have a mount up here, as you can see, that I put my camera on. Well, it's going to change because I want the teleprompter, like I said, to now go up there. And so I got this dual monitor set up here because I can put this monitor on the bottom section, and then on the top section, which will be free, I can put the teleprompter that I want. Okay, and so that's what my plan is. Again, here are the little pieces, and this piece right here was the main part which I want to put onto this flexi desk so that the pole is connected to this versus on a light stand, as you can see back here. The light stand served its purpose, give me light and so forth, but it's too unstable for my teleprompter. So I got this Wali mount here so that I could put the teleprompter on there, and you'll see what it looks like at the end. It's pretty cool. All right, got the screws right here, so that looks good. Looks like it's all there. These are the clamps. These are nice sturdy clamps for the Visa mounts, so that's really nice. Okay, got one there. Oh yeah, I got this is a solid bracket. This is nice and substantial. If I wanted to mount it onto the desk right here, for example, yeah, you could do that easily with this piece. But I'm not gonna do it or mount this to the table here. So that might be for future construction. But again, these are the Visa mounts that will go onto the back of the Dell monitor. That looks nice. And this is the plate here that I will put on top of the flexi desk here, and then screw on to the plate, the pull. Okay, so that's this piece right here. That's good. I'm really impressed with the sturdiness, by the way. As I'm just feeling this stuff. It doesn't feel cheap at all. So if you're wondering, it's not cheap. It's pretty large and big, so that's really nice. It makes it very sturdy because these monitors aren't heavy, and so I can understand these pieces are very sturdy. Okay, and here is the second mount. Okay, for onto the to the pole here. So that looks good. All right, so let's get right to the construction part. Like I said, I got this because I wanted to connect this to the flexi desk on the back. Let's construct this first and then put it together. Okay, so instruction says to take this out. Okay, this is a nice piece here. This is the bottom piece, as you can see right here. And this piece will go right on top. Okay, just like this, to create the column. Okay. Perfect. Good deal. All right, so these two pieces go in together. All right, got that to screw on. Just takes a second, and there you go. All right, pretty good. I don't know if you can see how big this is, but it's pretty tall. From here to here, it's pretty good. Excellent. So it's going to go on the back side of this, right there. Okay, so let's do that. Okay. Now the next part is to clean this whole clutter thing up, right? All right, you guys. So I went ahead and removed my monitor. I'm going to go ahead and install the Wali dual monitor desk mount right here, and so let's go ahead and do that now. I'm going to refer to my manual here. Okay, looks like I need a washer and plate. So here's the washer and screws. Here's the plate. Right, nice and secure. Excellent. So we're going to go ahead and put this right on here. All right, you guys, so I had to nail this through the hole here just to make sure that the size fit this screw. So now it has. I'm going to put this back up. I'm going to fit this through from the bottom. There we go. And like the underside of this flexi desk does not fit this plate. Okay, so either way, going this way, vertically or landscape, it doesn't fit. So I'm gonna have to do without and just put this on, which is fine. It looks like it's a tight fit. So, and we already have this base here on the bottom here, so I think it should be fine. So I'm going to put this right here. All right, you guys, so this is the Wali mount connected. It's very solid. It's stuck on here. It's not going to go anywhere, so I feel comfortable with that. Okay, next step is to attach the VESA plate onto the monitor. Well, actually, let's go ahead and put this on first. And I might have to move some of this stuff right here as well. I'll have to redesign it, but this is the arm, the plate here. Okay. Looks very, very sturdy. Okay, so this slides right over the top. All right, so you want this piece to point up. Okay, and so when this arm goes on, okay, there's a little notch right here that puts this right through. Perfect. So you want to put this arm this way, actually this way. So this is the way it fits, just like that. Okay, and this piece goes just like this. So we're gonna have to place the let's secure this one first. Excellent. We'll mount this guy onto the monitor. We'll do that next. Alright, so here's my monitor. Place it down. I'm going to push this button, release this arm. Okay, we won't need this stand anymore. We're going to plate this right on. So this is the top, right in here. Actually, let's see here. Okay, so the way this works is that we have to unscrew these screws here. Alright, if you look real quick, closely right here, zoom it in. Okay, we've got screws. We've got screws right here. Okay, these screws, we're going to remove them, and then we can place this right over the top and screw them in, screw this plate back in. Alright, you guys, so got it installed. You can see screws are in there. Now it's just a matter of putting this monitor back on the arm. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and put the monitor on to the back here. As you can see, angle this in. Down into it goes. Has a little screw right up on top here, and I'm going to put this bolt right on top. Secure that in. So now the monitor is right in this space right here. Alright, you guys, so you could see the monitor stand is here, and I had my drives right here, so you could see how much higher it is right here. So that's where I want this to be, and I could always tilt. It has the plate to be able to adjust the bolts and tilt this up if I need to, but that's the height. And right up above here, we're going to put another clamp, and we're going to clamp our teleprompter right up on here. Okay, so that's the next step. Alright, you guys, so here is my teleprompter, and I got this a while back ago, and it's the Caddy Buddy. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's from caddybuddy.com, and this thing has been with me for a few years, and this would be a perfect spot for right now with the Wali dual monitor desk mount and the monitor right here. Everything is clean, everything is perfect, and I have a magic arm that's holding this up, and if you see from the side here, see if I can zoom in on this piece right in here. Zoom in. There's a magic arm right here that's connected to this right here. I might get another one just in case, because it looks like it's gonna like slip off sometime. So I'm going to get another clamp to clamp this on, but for now it's on right now, and we're going to go with it for now. But I think we're going to update that clamp so it's a better clamp for this Wali dual monitor desk mount. So anyhow, this is the teleprompter I put up, and now this is all clean. What's going to go there, actually, I'm going to be putting a monitor here. No, it's going to be too heavy, but I'm going to be putting a monitor here, and then that arm's going, or this is going to project up here, and that's going to give me the screen to allow me to project and speak to people. It's really cool. So for now, I'm going to take this off because I think it's just a little bit too much. So I'm going to get a stronger clamp for this setup. So I'm going to take this off for now. So for the most part, you guys, this Wali dual monitor desk mount works. I'm going to get a stronger clamp here to hold up that teleprompter, and I might do a follow-up video on what that is, but for now that's the setup, and we're going to use this setup here to do teleprompting, eye contact. The camera will go right up in here just like before, and yeah, this is the mount, and there's going to be a part 2 where I'm going to be talking about cable management, and then part 3 is displaying the whole setup and letting you guys know the transformation. Alright, you guys, if you guys like this video, remember to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button and notification button so you can get future videos just like this, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye. Alright, you guys, so I want to update this clamp situation with the teleprompter real quick here. So I was messing around here, and I noticed that the monitor clamp, okay, fit my what is this called? This is called a plate. This is a tripod clamp plate that fit right on top of the monitor arm, and so I clamped that on there, and now this is super secure, and I can put my camera right here and use this teleprompter right away. And so just wanted to update you guys on this part right here for how I solved the solution for clamping this this teleprompter onto my Wali dual monitor desk mount, and so that is the solution for that. All right.